morning, YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Today's a pretty big day. The T-Bird getting the engine taken out today. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, 2020. So it's going to be a big day, probably a long day getting this engine removed. I'll get as much footage as I possibly can. It's a beautiful day. So I'll get back with you soon. Well, we're here at the shop. Got the car moved in and it's on the lift now. So process is in session. About time.
About time. We put it outside.
Boy, I tell you, I don't know what I did with my mechanic. You just don't know. There it is, sitting pretty. Man, I can't wait till I get it on the road and she turn into eye candy. Woo. Here we go. Yeah, starting with the fan and take the carburetor. We gotta take all this apart. The radiator comes out, the fan. Whew. Be out today. End of the day, we starting late. But that's okay. Just glad to get it back in the shop. Radiator's out. Taking the fan belts off next. The pulleys. Disconnect. The hosing from the condenser. Got a long way to go. But we'll get there. Pulleys. Water pump's coming off next. Gas pump down there. Coming out. Everything's coming out. In the process of getting it rebuilt. Carburetor's coming out. Everything you see. Clean it up so she looks nice under here when she's all put back together. Still got some more things to take off, more than some things. But I'm just glad we're in the process. One more bolt?
Way up there.
Pulling the transmission out now. You see that old man in the back? That's my buddy. That's Mr. Brock. And then one that's camera shy, one want to be just talk.
You gotta mess up my video.
Taking the transmission out. Got one more bolt up top.
Like he really knows.
Oh my goodness! Stop messing up my. The transmission's disconnected. The motor mount's disconnected. Now, get ready to pull it. Get ready to pull it. Yeah, that's a nice song. We've been here all day. Started about, 11? Now it's going on 4 o'clock. So not bad for one man's job. One man doing the job. Here we go, the heart of it. It's on the lift. That big block, 429 Thunderjet. There it is.